So we have another ship out, and it's on the Air Jordan 11 Concords. So we're going to get this label, and then we're going to take it outside and start the whole process. All right, so these are what we looking for. Yes, sir. All right, let me get this on the tripod. I'm gonna get y'all more info on these. Things first, gotta get the thumbnail. I'm gonna be that guy. Oh, need the light. What am I doing? Okay, so first things first, I gotta get the thumbnail. Feel me? Okay. So these are the Jordan 11 Concords, the women's pair. I got somebody telling me, nah, these ain't Concords. Yes, they are. They're just a women's pair. They did the Concords blue instead of the black and white people think of. These are fire. It's a size 5.5. I believe it came out this year. But you know that you understand what we doing. We about to go get these wrapped up. So let me go take y'all. Okay, so from here, you usually know what we gotta do, you know. First, plug this up. Oops. And like usual, I forgot the plastic wrap, so let me go grab that. One, two of these. We're gonna grab one. Wrinkle it up. Just like this. We're gonna cover it on one of these shoes, and then we're gonna do 2 seals. Actually 3 seals, because these are smaller. 3 seals on it, and then I'm gonna show y'all what it look like. Now, since these are smaller, I kind of did them differently than I usually do. I just did one at the top. See, that's already open. That's why I don't like doing it like that. But we're gonna get that fixed, and we're gonna move on to that shoe. Okay, so since we got both these done, I'm gonna unplug this and plug this in, and we're just gonna do all this right here. Get that out of the way. Let's get this started up. Plug in here. And so this is how you're gonna do it. You're just gonna medium heat, and you're just gonna go around it and let it seal. Let me show y'all this ASMR since some of y'all be liking it. So you get the gist of it. I can't do this and record with one hand, so y'all gonna get the finished product. Feel me? Then you get left with this. So let me get this other shoe, and then we can start actually boxing it up. Yup. Alright. So let's get this back on the tripod. Alright, so these are small pair of shoes, so I don't even need a big box for these. I just need something that will do. I think this will work. It's a real small box. Maybe not. Maybe not. It'll work. It's just how am I gonna do it? All right, that'll work. Let's get some bubble wrap and then some business cards. Boom. So now we gotta add the business card. You know, the OnGoSneakers business card. Boom. And now let's get it wrapped. This tape. Do one that way, and we're gonna do one the other way. Pro tip, just flip it. When you roll it out, flip it and stick it on the other side so you never lose it. Okay, so the label is from Macari, so I can just go to UPS and they scan it for me. Hopefully I can video it and show y'all, but I do have to get it scanned, so it might stop midway. But we on the way to UPS. Yup. And now we off to UPS. Shooting a shot on the ball like damn, what over there? I need a reason you stop writing letters to me, drinking your ink pen, writing on the wall, deeper in there, to it all. All right, so we just made it to UPS. We're gonna go take this package in. I can't record it, so I think this is the end of the video. You might get a little something, but we finna see. And that is the end of the video. If you like this video, go ahead and hit that like button. If you want more like it, subscribe to the channel, and we out.